Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a tourist visa cover letter. This letter is a formal document submitted by a traveler to the embassy or consulate to explain the purpose of their visit, travel plans, and ties to their home country. You'll begin your tourist visa cover letter by listing your full name, address, contact details, and the current date at the top. Next, address it formally to the visa officer of the relevant embassy or consulate and include their official address. Add clear subject lines stating your purpose, application for tourist visa. Open the letter with a polite salutation like "Dear Sir, Madam." After that, write, "I am writing to support my application for a tourist visa to country name with the intention of visiting from start date to end date. I am currently employed as your job title at company name and I have been granted leave for the duration of my trip. My travel itinerary includes sightseeing, cultural exploration, and visiting popular tourist destinations such as mentioned key places. I have attached a detailed travel plan, proof of employment, leave approval, and my financial statements to support my application. I assure you that I have no intention of overstaying my visa and will strictly follow the rules and regulations of your country. I have strong ties to my home country, including my family, ongoing employment, and financial commitments. I kindly request you to consider my application favorably. Thank you for your time and consideration. Yours sincerely, your full name." Here's our sample tourist visa cover letter. You'll notice how it clearly explains the purpose of travel, outlines the planned itinerary, and demonstrates strong ties to the applicant's home country. The letter's respectful tone and organized structure help support a smooth and successful visa application process. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing clear and effective travel and visa-related letters.